Hi, it's Emily from WTI. If you get super hot when you're sleeping at night, like I do, you definitely need to check out this cooling blanket from Bedsure. This blanket has transformed my night's sleep in the summertime. This blanket actually provides cooling technology and it helps you sleep cooler, but it still has this lovely drape and feel so that you feel like you can be cozy in your blanket but not get super hot. It's like the best of both worlds. This blanket is made from a combination of nylon and viscose bamboo. It's got two sides, so it's a two-layered blanket, and it's got a very silky soft feel. This blanket is also Okotex certified, which is awesome. I'm on a journey to try to reduce toxic exposures in my life, and finding Okotex certified fabrics is really important to me. That means that these fabrics have been certified to be tested for over 350 toxic chemicals. So when you get one of these cooling blankets from Bedsure, you're both improving your night's sleep, you are making sure that your environment and your home is clean and healthy and safe. This blanket comes in a variety of colors and sizes, and it's so cozy to sleep with or nap with. You can take it with you on the go. It holds up really well. I love the double stitching of the edging, so I know that it's going to hold up through multiple washing, and it's just absolutely luxurious. I love this blanket, and I think that you're going to love it too. But that's just my point of view.